Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add shapes on Kinemaster. To add shapes in Kinemaster, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Kinemaster application and open up a project. Now, import your media that you'd like to work onto. Tap on Media at the top right and select a video or an image that you'd like to use. Here I'm just going to select this image from Pixabay. After you do that, go ahead and make further edits for your first media. After you are done, tap on Layer on the top right and add a handwriting layer by choosing handwriting. Now, click on this square kind of a box and there you can go ahead and create color fill shapes or outline shapes. To create a color fill shape, simply tap on either circle or the square icon. Choose your desired shape, which are only two for now, which is square and circle. Select one of the color fill shape and simply drag your finger on your preview screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see you have successfully created a shape. You can also create an outline shape by choosing this circle on the right side, and if you do that, you will notice that you have successfully created a transparent outline shape. Choose the shape according to your preference and draw it on your screen just like that in order to add a shape on Kinemaster project. You can also draw other shapes like cross if you want to add it onto your media. So that is how it's easily done. That is the only way you will be able to add shapes on Kinemaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.